Hello, this is Sonja from my Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Happy Resurrection Day. I hope it's going to be a blessing to you and that you just celebrate the beautiful knowledge that we are serving a living God. He is not dead, for he has risen. So our verse we are memorizing this week is a beautiful verse. It's very apt for this time of year. And that is the third one in the series of the Romans Road, how we can use these verses to evangelize or tell people about the gospel. And it's Romans 5 verse 8, but God showed his love for us in while we were still sinners. Christ died for us. So it's a beautiful reminder what salvation is. Nothing we could do, we couldn't earn it because God already made a way while we were sinners. It's for us to accept the free gift of salvation. So this is going to come into your daily section. You're going to memorize that for the next 7 days. Your previous daily verse, you're going to move into the even section. That's last week's verse. You're going to move into the odd days. Your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I think we did Monday last time, so we do Tuesday. So let's put it behind Tuesday. You can use any day of the week, but I just try to go back and forth. And then our old Tuesday verse, we're going to move into our monthly section. Yet again, you can go anywhere. I just usually choose a place where there's fewer verses. It's usually more here at the back. So I'll just put it here at the 29th. So at the 29th, I'm going to go over that verse. And tomorrow morning, I will go to my review sheets, which I have stuck in about 3 years ago when we first memorized this. And I'm just going to review my verses as I've reviewed my verses last week also. So I hope that's a blessing to you. May you have a very, very blessed week. Bye-bye.